Hello, this is No Job Case. Thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'll try to build a wall here because this is my kitchen and we are trying to create a small utility room here at the end of our kitchen. So we will need a wall and a door. So let's go. The first thing I did was to remove the tiles from this area. I started with a tile in the middle of the room and I worked my way towards the edges. Be really careful around the pipework area because you don't want to damage any pipe which are coming up from the ground. Also, you need to think about the waste of the tiles. Where are you going to dispose them from this job? I just put my waste into the heavy-duty bin bags and took them down the skip. If you have a skip at home, that will be the best. Then I removed all the wallpaper from this area. If you don't have a steam machine, you could also just use this product. I have tried it myself later on. I just took the top layer of my wallpaper and sprayed the wallpaper with this diluted product. And then the wallpaper pretty much just falls off the wall super easily. The reason I'm using it here is because even after I use the steam machine to take my wallpaper off, my wall is still full of the wallpaper glue. And this product just helps me to clean the glue off my wall. This is roughly our design for our wall. It is super important to place your new wall at somewhere that there is wood behind the ceiling, because this is where your new wall will be fixed onto. I got my husband to help me on this job. After marking where the wall is gonna be, he took some of the skirting board off so that the wood can sit flat against the wall. Then we took some measurement and cut a piece of wood to go onto the ceiling first. Also, we had to drill a big hole to let the electric cable go through it. Put the electric cables through the hole, and then with the two of us, we just fixed our first piece of wood onto the ceiling. We then marked on the ground to leave the doorway and cut two pieces wood each side of the doorway and laid it on the ground. And then we measured again and then put the two side wood onto our wall. Then we tried to fit in the wood which will be going next to the door frame. If I'm going to do this again, I will try to pre-build my door frame outside with some supporting wood and bring it indoor so that I know exactly if my wood are in the right place. Anyway, after the two pieces of wood next to the door frame are in, it's just about keep adding more wood onto the wall so that it can support the plasterboard later. Any switches or sockets that needs to go onto this wall, now is the time to prepare them. We didn't pre-build our door frame, so anyway, at this point we brought it indoor and tried to assemble it onto our wall. We took our time to make sure that everything is level and the bottom of the door frame, the width is the same as the top, so that later on when we need to fit the actual door in there, it can actually be shut. Once the position of the door frame is sorted, all is left to do is to add in more support wood. Also, we patched some wood bits between the door frame and our wall. In my next video, I will try to put the insulation and the plasterboard onto this wall. Thank you for watching and see you next time.